Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can wear multiple face accessories on your Roblox game. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the main idea how you can wear multiple face accessories on your avatar on Roblox is to have all the IDs on your assets ID. So if we go here to accessories, for example, and go to the face accessory, here we will find the advanced option. And basically here we can see the asset ID. And if you want like to have multiple face accessories, you will need just to put all the face ID accessories here, and then you will save, and you will be able to add multiple face accessories. So for example, let's take a look on this glasses, and here we go to advanced and we can see this ID. I will just copy this ID and let's cancel and go to this orange, and here we can see another ID. I'm going to paste the ID of the first accessory and click on save, and I will have both of the, as you can see, both of the face accessories are enabled or are weird by the avatar. Otherwise, you can have another extension on your web browser, and basically you need just to go to the tool menu, search for extensions, manage or visit the web browser, and then go to the BTR, and here you will need just to add to Chrome, add extension, and wait for the extension to be downloaded, and here our extension is on. So basically, I'm just going to refresh my page, and now I will just go again to the accessories, face, and basically now I won't have to copy paste all and redo all this operation. I will just select all the face accessory that you want, and basically you can wear them as easy as it seems. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.